Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah Da Silva, and I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. A few assets that I think I bring to the social work profession and as well as this course are my experience working with various communities. I've worked in the domestic violence field. I've worked as a medical case manager with clients who are living with HIV/AIDS. I've worked with those who are experiencing street homelessness, um, as well as homeless youth. I have also worked inside a county correctional facility with women, mainly pregnant women. And I have just worked generally in the maternal and child health field. Um, I am open to constructive criticism and feedback and find that to be something very beneficial that aids in not only professional but my personal growth as well. And I have found that throughout my experience, I can excel. I have excelled at being able to build strong and trusting relationships with clients and clients that tend to be reluctant or have had negative experiences working with social workers and other social service professions in the past. I look forward to learning from all of you, and I hope that you all enjoy this course as well. Thank you.